If you're not planning to overclock your CPU, it may not be necessary for you to have a liquid AIO cooler. Instead, you may opt for an air cooler. This video will show you some of our favorite picks for air coolers in building your gaming PC. The Zalman Performa Black. Zalman has provided the community of system builders with a wonderful low-frills cooling solution that looks nice and still allows you to allocate your funds as you see fit. The Salomoncnps 10X Performa Black is a medium-sized quad heat pipe cooler with a single ultra-quiet 135mm fan that blasts through CPU thermal loads for your multi-core processor. It comes in a jet black design and makes use of universal backplate as it ships with mounting hardware that supports a wide range of Intel desktop CPU sockets and AMD sockets. The CNPS 10X also features 4 copper heat pipes that are arranged in a staggered pattern to draw heat from the CPU, integrated heat spreader, and up into the cooling tower at a maximum speed of 1500 RPM. Simply put, even while operating at its maximum RPM, the fan on this cooler still produces minimal noise, giving you that awesome quiet you require as you get sucked into your favorite games. Number 9, the Noctua NHU14S. It'll be difficult to find a better alternative than this Noctua if you're assembling a small form factor PC. This small cooler offers a surprisingly high cooling capacity despite being one of the smallest coolers available. Staying at only 70 millimeters tall, it comes complete with everything you'll need for installation and even lets you choose which side the fan is placed on for broader memory compatibility. The cooler also comes equipped with the NFA12X15 PWM fan from Noctua that features their signature SSO2 bearings. And for an improved cooling performance, this cooler also provides a place to mount a standard 25mm fan on the top side of the heatsink. With a maximum speed of 1,850 RPM and an automated speed control low noise adapter, is a fantastic choice that is reliable and generally suitable for light gaming, entertainment, and productivity. Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 4. Be Quiet has built a reputation for providing high-performance components for PC enthusiasts who also yearn for a quieter environment, and this cooler is no exception. The Dark Rock Pro 4 manages to wedge an additional cooling fan between its dual air of aluminum fin cooling towers that supports both 135mm and 120mm fans. While the dual fans operate in tandem using a push-pull airflow, the cooling fins have an open design to reduce airflow restriction and let heat escape out all sides of the cooler. The Dark Rock 4 Pro also features a massive 250-watt TDP support and 7 heat pipes, so it makes it ideal for hardcore PC builders. Despite having so much cooling power, it's nonetheless very quiet, as the manufacturer's name already implies. Number 7. Cooler Master Hyper 212 RGB Black Edition. The Hyper RGB Black Edition comes with the SF120R RGB fan and uses a cooling tower and mounting system. And if your motherboard doesn't support RGB lighting, this cooler has got you covered, as it also comes with an inline RGB controller and synchronization for motherboards from Asus, MSI, Gigabyte, and ASRock. The CPU's cooler cool factor is increased by more than just its jet black appearance, although the aluminum top cover and nickel-plated jet black fins definitely help. But with cool features such as its 4 heat pipes that boast direct contact technology for an enhanced heat dissipation, a wide speed range of 650 to 2000 RPMs for fine-tuning cooler performance, and a silent operation, this cooler is definitely one of the best CPU coolers on the market. You can also trust its stacked fin array to ensure the least amount of airflow resistance. Number 7, the Noctua NHU14S. Here's another one from Noctua with the Noctua NHU14S that offers major league thermal performance with whisper quiet cooling. This AMD-friendly cooler comes equipped with an NFA115 140mm PWM fan and 6 nickel-plated copper heat pipes that promises the best overclocked Threadripper performance. The large 140mm NFA15 PWM cooling fan also has the distinctive cream and reddish-brown color scheme of Noctua and delivers the necessary cooling airflow. With the slim cooler design, installing and performing the final torque down of the mounting bolts are pretty straightforward. You, however, must ensure to check the specific cooler fitment of your PC casing. Nevertheless, this cooler is ideal for both enthusiasts and overclockers when it comes to the Threadripper air cooling. Number 5. Phanteks PHTC12DX. This Phanteks is essentially a smaller single tower version of the TC14PE, but nonetheless one of the better versions available if you're looking for a 120mm fan CPU cooler. The multicolored heatsink finish and fan blades can add a lovely flair to your chassis. It has a side window as opposed to the typical homogeneous silver heatsink. It comes with 4 heat pipes and 220mm fans at 600 to 1800 RPMs to get the job done while giving your build some high-end style. This cooler from Phanteks delivers good performance and offers a great mounting system. It begins by giving us a variety of color options to choose from in order to match the theme of our system. Overall, this particular cooler has outstanding sound levels when you consider how well it cools when under maximum load. Number 4, the Deepcool AS500+. The Deepcool AS500 garnered praise when it was first introduced, but the AS500 enhances it to the point where it can match any single tower cooler on the market thanks to the additional fan. But don't be fooled by the small size of this cooler, as it promises excellent performance. It was only outperformed by more expensive dual tower coolers, and even then only marginally. And even when it's pushed to its utmost, the cooler still remains surprisingly quiet despite its dual fan design. The Deepcool AS500 packs more power than it costs. It features outstanding build quality, superb cooling, and a modest ARGB splash with the controller. And in comparison to many dual fan single tower coolers, it provides excellent value for the money. The AS500 checks all the boxes with its maximum fan speed of 1200 RPM and is highly recommended for the best gaming experiences. Number 3, the Deepcool Assassin 3. Similar to the AS500 from Deepcool, the new Assassin 3 is also from Deepcool and is a great substitute for folks who don't quite have the space or the money for a really big air cooler. This cooler offers the lowest temperature of all large-size air coolers thanks to its twin cooling towers, 7 heat pipes, and 240mm fans. It also has one of the best options for air cooling large CPUs because of its high thermal performance and low noise level. And it has a very attractive design and simple installation as added benefits. 2 Deepcool GamerStorm fans, each capable of operating at 1400 RPM at full speed, allow air to circulate through the Assassin 3. Deepcool has definitely given the gaming community another excellent CPU cooling solution that will particularly appeal to those who want to eliminate RGB or any type of lighting. Number 2, the Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120SE. Peerless Assassin from Thermalright lives up to its name as it delivers superior performance by significantly outperforming competition at lower thermal TDP settings. The cooler's 220mm fans disperse heat quietly, producing only 34.5 decibels at maximum speed and 33 decibels at half speed. And if aesthetics are important to you, the Peerless Assassin 120SE is also available in silver, gray, white, or black, so it should blend in with the majority of build themes. So long as your case has space for it, you should think about using this cooler for your upcoming system, whether or not you worry about price. Finally, number 1 on our list, the Noctua NHU14S Promax Black. This might yet be the best cooler for your CPU that money can buy. Thanks to its enormous design, it is capable of shedding an impressive amount of heat while competing with even liquid coolers with the exceptional reliability it provides. Based on the NHU14 cooler, the NHU14 CPU features 2 enormous aluminum heatsink towers, 6 copper heat pipes per tower, a smooth copper base plate, 140mm fans, and a fan speed of 1500 RPMs. It's simple to install and compatible with almost every CPU introduced in recent years. With continued focus on high-end desktop gaming, modern high-end chips generate more heat as a result of their increased core counts and clock speeds. Since high temperature can damage your processor or shorten its lifespan, a good air cooler may be just all you need to get the best value for your money from your gaming rig. So that's the end of our video, guys. And if you are interested in looking at liquid coolers, all-in-one liquid coolers, please watch our video that we posted the other day on the best liquid coolers available. Hope you guys had a great day. Peace out.